Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have some numbers once again from Steam concerning the usage of Windows 11. Windows 11, of course, has been steadily growing on Steam users, which are mostly gamers. And one of the things we know about Steam is that, in general, gamers will have machines that are more advanced and often will be compatible with Windows 11 more than the average PC of users. But it's interesting because this month, if we look at Windows 11 market share, it pretty much is stagnant. We've talked about the fact that the other numbers seem to have stopped growing everywhere. Steam has actually a number this month of 21.1% for Windows 11 users on Steam. It is down 0.1%, but that's within the margin of error, so it's not necessarily down. I'm more into it's just stayed stagnant. It stayed at the same level. So is that a milestone? Is the reason that it's actually staying put as it reached its maximum for now? It's kind of interesting because it had been growing on Steam every month. So the fact that it stopped in its track now, like the other numbers that we've seen, that seem to kind of show that the growth is either slowing or pretty much non-existent, is kind of telling us that maybe Windows 11 has hit a wall here. And that wall could be technically a big, the computers that can't upgrade, or people that just don't care. Because there's certainly a lot of computers out there that can upgrade, but that people are just staying on Windows 10 and that's it. Plus the fact there's a lot of negative comments, people might be scared of moving on to Windows 11. So I think we're pretty much stagnant now. And it's interesting because PC sales are pretty good. Even though they are down, they're still pretty good. And we would expect Windows 11 to gain more market share due to sales of PCs. It doesn't seem to be happening right now. So are people also looking at new PCs but saying, well, I want to have a new PC with Windows 10. I'm not ready to Windows 11 yet. So they're buying PCs that probably are okay to upgrade to Windows 11, but they just don't want to go there yet. Very interesting numbers. As for the rest, 73.1% are on Windows 10, 2% on Windows 7, and 1.7% on Mac OS, and 1.2% on Linux for Steam gaming. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.